In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp with Webflow forms using Webflow Logic. This integration simplifies the process of adding new subscribers to your Mailchimp audience list every time someone submits their information through a form on your Webflow site. First, you need to create or identify the audience you want to add new subscribers in Mailchimp. Begin by going to your Mailchimp dashboard, clicking on Audience, and selecting All Contacts. Click on the audience name, go to Settings, and select Audience Name and Defaults. Here, you need to scroll down until you find the audience ID. Make sure to copy this value since you'll need it later in the process. Once you have your audience ID, the next step is to get your Mailchimp API key, which allows Webflow Logic to communicate effectively with Mailchimp. In Mailchimp, click your profile icon, navigate to Account and Billing, then Extras, and select API keys. Here, you need to create a new key by clicking on Create Key. Once generated, copy your API key and ensure you keep it safe, treating it like a password and never sharing it publicly. With your Mailchimp credentials in hand, it's time to shift your focus to Webflow. In your Webflow designer, drag in a form block from the Add panel under Forms. Add your desired fields such as name and email, and optionally phone or message to collect necessary data. Assign each field a unique name like first name or email to ensure proper mapping later. After setting up your form, publish your site to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Now, let's move on to Webflow Logic. In your Webflow dashboard, navigate to your project and click on the Logic tab. Here, you'll create a new flow by clicking plus New Flow. Choose Form Submission as the trigger for this flow and select the form you just created. This setup instructs Webflow Logic to start the flow whenever someone submits the form on your site. Following this, we need to add an HTTP request to Mailchimp. After your trigger, click plus. Add action and select Make HTTP Request. You should now configure this request by using the details from your Mailchimp account, specifically the API key and audience ID. To verify that everything works as expected, go to Logic and click Run Test. Submit your form on your published Webflow site. Then check Mailchimp under Audience, All Contacts to confirm that your test email has appeared. Successfully seeing your test contact means it's time to deploy your flow. For the final deployment, click Activate Flow in Webflow Logic. Publish your site again, ensuring it's ready for live submissions. Now, your form is fully automated. With every new submission, a new Mailchimp subscriber is added automatically.